the faith will destroy. Yes or not? And then the people are not happy with the Brahminical aspects. Yes or not? So Jainism is not able to grow because also बाद में ये लोग खुद ही संस्कृत को ही follow करने लग गए. Understood? So I said that since Jainism did not very clearly mark itself out from the Brahminical religion, it is failed to attract masses, and despite this, Jainism gradually spread to South and West India. And West India में कहाँ पे? In the Rajasthan. And the reason I said that one, it is in a Dilwara temple at Mount Abu, and then you will see that Ranakpur में what is in a Chaturmukh temple. These are the two temples, Pali district, and then nearby Mount Abu, what is in a Dilwara temple. I said that in the west and south में कौन सा है? Gomteswara. Which one I said that? Gomteswara. Understood it? At Saravanbelgola. And the spread of Jainism in Karnataka is attributed to Chandragupta Maurya. And the emperor came in Jaina and gave up his throne and spent the last years under the fast unto death. And he has been finally वहीं पे रह गए. Clear? So this is the saying that why he is able to grow and why he is not able to grow. Yes or not? So only he is able to grow in the south and west little bit. और थोड़ा सा आप लोग देखेंगे थोड़ा सा खांडगिरी and उदयगिरी. कहाँ पे? In Odisha. There is some Jaina viharas are there. Some Jaina viharas. और वहीं पे एक हाथी गुफा भी. I said that Jain built stupa with railing, pillars and gateways. थोड़ा सा बना and जो वहीं पर बना कहाँ पे बना? हाथी गुफा in. And उसी के बगल में क्या बना? Viharas. Viharas are what? Viharas are what? It is the where the monks used to live. Understood? And thereafter there is an Udaygiri and Khandgiri caves is famous for what? It is famous for Viharas. And thereafter I said in Odisha, Bhubaneswar में जाओगे, you can be able to see. And then nearby there is an Hathi Gufa, there is some kind of small stupa structure for Jainas. Mathura became a center of Jain art during the Kushana period. If you remember that Kanishka who separated Jainism as well as Buddhism in the Mathura art. And Mathura art is without spiritual feeling. याद है? Gandhara art is having a spiritual feeling, but Mathura art is not having. And यहाँ पे क्या क्या था? Three things are there in Mathura art. Brahminical also, Buddhism also, and Jainism, if you remember. But in Gandhara Buddhism and the Amravati sculpture में आपने क्या देखा था? Buddhism. And Mathura has three: Brahminical, Jainism, and then Mathura art में इसीलिए they are saying that their art, their religion, Jainism has been grown during the what? Kushana. Kushana, which king? Kanishka. So Kushana period में they have been able to grow. But Kanishka did not patronize it. He patronized Kanishka Buddhism. First Buddhist council किसके अंडर में होता? अजातशत्रु. Second Buddhist council Kala Ashoka, and third it is Ashoka, and fourth it is Kanishka. Understood? I said that Mathura आपने देखा, Odisha that we have seen, and now statue of Gomteswara at Saravanbelgola in Karkala testify the excellence of their Jain architecture. And then we have seen Dilwara temple at Mount Abu and temples of Ranakpur, that is a Chaturmukh temple, Pali district are example of the superb workmanship. तो चार ही जगह तो दिख रहा है हमें. वो भी चार में मथुरा थोड़ी ना दिख रहा है. मथुरा is a kind of sculpture art is there. So I said that which are we have seen? Odisha, west, south. Understood it? And थोड़ा सा here and there कहीं भी बना तो रहेगा सारा. So we have seen where it is near Bhubaneswar, Hathi Gufa, Khandgiri, Udaygiri, and then we have been able to see. I said that Mathura. And there I said that Hassan district mein what I said that Gomteswara at Saravanbelgola, and then Siroi district I said that Dilwara temple, that is and then Pali district I said Ranakpur temple in the west. I said that impact of Jainism. Jainism made the first serious attempt to mitigate the evils of वर्णा ऑर्डर एंड रिचुअलिस्टिक वैदिक. ध्यान में रखिएगा, बुद्धिज्म नहीं है. पहले किसने ये अटेम्प्ट किया? हु हैज गिवन दिस अटेम्प्ट? हु हैज गिवन दिस अटेम्प्ट? Jainism made the first serious attempt to mitigate the evils of Varna and order, Varna order and ritualistic Vedic religion. The early Jaina discarded the Sanskrit language mainly patronized by Brahmanas and adopted Prakrit language. Which language? अच्छा, ये मुझे बुद्धिज्म नेचुरल वे में रह रहे हैं या जैनिज्म नेचुरल वे में रह रहे हैं? Who is living in the natural form? किसको को नेचर से कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, जैनिज्म और बुद्धिज्म? नेकेड पूरा रह रहा है मतलब नेचर के साथ हूं मैं। इनिशियल पीरियड में प्राइमेटिव पीपल आर लाइक दिस। सो यू कैन जैन को किससे प्रकृति के साथ जोड़ सकते हो, प्राकृत लैंग्वेज। कैन यू कनेक्ट? एंड देन पी फॉर पाली किससे कनेक्ट कर लोगे? बच गया बुद्धिज्म। यस और नॉट? पाली इज एंड प्रकृत। यस, टेल मी, बुद्धिज्म पाली and Jainism is, I said that, Prakriti. So I said that the Jaina, I said that the early Jaina discarded Sanskrit language mainly patronized by, तो discard कर रहे थे, तो why they have adopted itself? मतलब I am the superior, संस्कृत बोल लूंगा तो I become what? आज के डेट में जैसे English become what? I am saying so you become what? Very good person. आज के डेट में everyone is thinking like this ना? Yes or not? If I am not speaking English, I am what is it? Down to earth. And those who are speaking English, कहीं पे बोल को भी लेते हैं fast. Then you started respecting him. Earlier Sanskrita, same way Sanskrita. And slowly and slowly Jainism lost its spirit and Buddhism lost its spirit. दोनों ने दोबारा संस्कृत को adopt कर लिया. Both of them adopted Sanskrita. And that is the cause they started what? Getting away from the mass. The early Jaina discarded Janli language and mainly patronized Brahmanas and adopted Prakrit language. Their religious literature was written by Ardh Magdi and texts were finally compiled in the 6th century AD in the, what is in the 5th century AD? यहाँ पे change कर लेंगे 5th century AD in Gujarat, Vallabhi. Second Jainist council. And the Jaina composed the earliest important works, Apabhramsa, and prepared their first grammar. So first grammar, I said works in Apabhramsa. Clear? और अपभ्रंसा आपने पहले सुना है? In the painting. अपभ्रंसा what is in the? And then आंख को कुछ और बनाना है ऐसे. And then मेवाड़ में कहां पे था? In the Mewar school has Mewar school of painting. Apabhramsa. That is the reason I said. And then you can say Nathwada, Mewar and Nathwada. समझ में आ गया? Earliest important works. And then what is the meaning of Tirthankara has achieved? And the Arhat, बोलते जाओ ना, who is about to achieve? वहां पे बुद्धा, Bodhisattva, Buddha, and here it is I said that Tirthankara, Arhat. अब आचार्य कौन बन गया? किसी जगह का हेड बन गया. थोड़ा सा चलो, अब वो तो बन गए कौन? अरहत बिकम वर्स. अब तो मैं तुम लोग आहट से मैं समझ जाऊंगा कि मैं मतलब अच्छा, कई लोग बहुत कुछ बोलते हैं. मैं डोंट आस्क मी, आई नो अबाउट यू. पता नहीं कैसे जानते होंगे. सो आचार्य द हेड ऑफ द ascetic group and the teacher उपाध्याय and the others sadhu, which are I said that Tirthankara, Arahat, Acharya, Upadhyaya and Sadhu. Understood? And this is the cause of what? Decline of Jainism. ये आप पढ़ लोगे. And I have finished with Jainism. आज मेरा टारगेट में था कि बुद्धिज्म भी I have to finish. इसीलिए मैं बुद्धिज्म को भी जोड़ के चल रहा था. So we will finish and कल हम लोग देखें क्या होता है. Yes. So we'll meet tomorrow. Be on time. And those who want to take and go for